Plast Eurasia Istanbul 2024 is held at TUYAP Istanbul Fair and Congress Center from December 4th to 7th, 2024. As the outstanding manufacturer for Chinese injection intelligent equipment and services, Borche participates the exhibition with superior electric IMM-BD300, new generation of intelligent Two-Platen IMM-BU1000V, and universal type interconnected IMM by 200M. Borche is one of the most important Chinese exhibitors, with over 500 square meters booth area. It attracts a great attention and consults from the professional visitors. In this exhibition, Borche integrates more green innovation concepts. By the optimized design, Borche injection molding machines are 60% greater than the national Level 1 energy consumption standard. It accords with the green manufacturing direction and reflects Borche's commitment for sustainable development. During the fair period, as the chief supervisor of SPEMIA, Zhu Kangjin, chairman of Borche, was invited to attend the PAGEV Turkish Plastic Industry Congress and delivered the keynote speech. Green innovation, strong momentum for the development of Chinese plastic machine industry. Mr. Zhu introduced the achievement of Chinese IMM green innovation and the strong ability and advanced technology of Chinese plastics industry and the strong ability and advanced technology of Chinese plastics industry. Borche has always been committed to promoting sustainable development, providing global customers with more efficient, intelligent injection, molding equipment and whole plant solutions by optimizing the production processes and reducing carbon emissions. Borche is leading the industry to move forward in green transformation.